Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So in our last class we started our chapter 6th chapter, Oliver asks for more. Okay, so today we will continue our chapter. So in the last class we learned that Oliver was an orphan. So an orphan is who is not having his biological parents. So Oliver's parents also died when he was a small kid. At the time of his birth his parents died and he was being sent to an orphanage. Where was he sent? Orphanage. So orphanage is a place where these orphan children have been taken care of. Okay. So the in charge of the orphanage was Mrs. Munn, and as she was a very clever woman, Mrs. Munn. So whatever the amount was being given to the students, orphan children, so the amount was 7.5 pence a week. So that amount was being used by Mrs. Munn for his personal use, and only some little food was given to the children. What was the food was given to the children daily? Only 3 times watery soup. Okay, morning in the breakfast they used to get soup, afternoon they used to get soup, and in the evening also they used to get soup, and half an onion twice a week. Okay, along with that soup they used to get onion, that is twicely a week. Okay, week में बस 2 ही time मिलता था, and half a cake on Sundays, and every Sunday they used to get half a piece of cake. So all the children, how many children were there? There were 29 children. Okay, so all the children, they what they one day they decided to go up and talk with the cook to ask for some more food, as it is what not being sufficient for them. वो food उन लोग को उतना बस नहीं हो रहा था soup, so they decided to ask for some more food. So they decided कि who will go up and ask for some more soup. So all of them said that it should be Oliver. He should go up to the cook master and ask for some more food. So now we will see did Oliver ask or not, or if he asked, what happened to him. So the master was in his cook's dress with his 2 assistants beside a huge pot. The soup was served out. However, in no time it was finished. The children looked at each other and made to signal to Oliver. Oliver rose from his seat, walked up to the master and requested, "Sir, I want a little more, please." So everyone were finished the soup and they were still needed, they were still hungry. So what they did, they signaled to Oliver and go up to the cook and ask for some more soup. So Oliver went up to the cook master and said, "Okay, sir, I want a little more, please. I want a little more soup." "What? You want more? Did you say that?" shouted the master, who was a fat and healthy man. So what did the cook said? "What? You want more? Did you say that?" So, "Yes sir," replied Oliver, "I want more soup." So when the cook asked shoutingly, "Do you want some more soup?" Oliver said, "Yes sir, I want more soup." This was more than enough. The angry master took his big spoon and struck it hard on Oliver's head. Holding Oliver in his arms tight, he cried out for Mr. Bumble and Mrs. Munn. So what did he do? He got very angry and he took his big spoon and struck it hard on Oliver's head. What did the cook do? He took a big spoon and struck it on the Oliver's head. एक spoon से, बड़े वाले spoon से Oliver के head पे he struck it, यानी मारे उनको. Holding Oliver in his arms tight, he cried out for Mr. Bumble and Mrs. Munn. So what he did? He held Oliver tightly in his arm. उनको बहुत tightly पकड़ लिया and called out the in charge, Mrs. Munn and Mr. Bumble. Mr. Bumble caught hold of Oliver and dragged him to Mr. Limpkins. Mr. Limpkins was the chief patron of the orphanage. He was at that time busy attending an important meeting. So the in charge and the attender, Mr. Bumble, they came and took Oliver to Mr. Limpkins. So who was Mr. Limpkins? He was the chief patron of the orphanage. So he was the head of the orphanage. Mr. Limpkins कौन थे? Patronage के head थे. Okay, orphanage के chief patron थे. That is, he was the head of the orphanage. At that time, when they took Oliver inside, he was busy attending a meeting. "Excuse me, sir," Mr. Bumble said to Mr. Limpkins. "Oliver has asked for more." Okay. So वो लोग जब अंदर गए मीटिंग रूम में, ऑफिस रूम में अंदर गए, मिस्टर बम्बल सेड कि "Excuse me sir, this boy Oliver want little more soup." What more? Mr. Limpkin asked. It means he needs more supper after eating the food? You are right, sir. The boy must be hanged, Mr. Bumble said. So, what more? Mr. Limpkin said that this boy, after getting his right amount of food, after that also he wants some little more food. So, Bumble said, yes sir, this boy wants more food. So, he must be hanged. Hanged means इन्हें फांसी दे देना है. This boy is asking for more food. इस लड़के को तो भी फांसी दे देना चाहिए. Oliver thus met his fate. He was beaten badly and locked up in a room. Next morning there was no notice on the gate. The children were surprised to read the notice. So Oliver met his fate means उनकी बहुत बुरी हालत हो गई थी. He was beaten badly and locked up in a room. उनकी बहुत पिटाई है and he was being locked up in a room. And next morning there was a notice on the gate. So उनके orphanage के gate के ऊपर next morning एक notice भी लगाई दी गई थी. So the notice was, all the children were surprised to see the notice because the notice was, this is to notify the public in general that the reward of £5 will be offered to anyone who takes Oliver Twist off the hands of the orphanage. So what was the notice read at? The notice read as, notify to the public in general that a reward of £5, जो भी ओलिवर ट्विस्ट को ये ऑर्फनेज से ले जाएंगे उनको देंगे £5 का रिवॉर्ड. So every child reading the notice, the children were very surprised. Just by asking the food, extra food, Oliver was beaten badly, he was locked up in the room and he was being handed over to the public. Okay, isn't it shocking? Yeah. Children, this is just not the end of the story of the Oliver who asked for more supper. This Oliver later became a renowned writer known as Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens wrote in his novels and short stories about social problems, the plight of urban poor, corruption and social injustice. So, at that time, somebody came from the public and in general people, some people came forward and took Oliver from the orphanage to adopt him. So, this is not just the end of the story. Oliver later became the renowned writer known as Charles Dickens. So, यहाँ से Oliver was brought up in a good environment and later on in his life he became the famous writer known as Charles Dickens. So, Charles Dickens wrote in his novels and short stories about social problems, plight of urban poor, corruption and social injustice. So, kids, Charles Dickens अपने novels में, stories में क्या लिखे? The plight of poor. एक poor की life कैसी होती है, the social problems, करप्शन एंड सोशल इंजस्टिस के रिलेटेड ये बहुत सारे नॉवेल्स एंड स्टोरीज लिखे हैं. सम ऑफ हिज फेमस नॉवेल्स इंक्लूड ओलिवर ट्विस्ट, निकोलस निकलबाई, ब्लीक हाउस, ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड डेविड कॉपरफील्ड. सो दीज वे द स्टोरी बुक्स बीइंग रिटन बाय चार्ल्स डिकेंस. Charles Dickens was born in 1812 in London. He died in 1870, but before his death he gave much more to the world as an author. So he was born in London in 1812 and died in 1870. Fine. So kids, here we came to know that what is the life of an orphan. We are very much grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that God has given us both the parents, right? We are having father and mother to look after us. The children who are not having their father and mother, they are not even been getting proper food, isn't it? Like Oliver, he said in his story that he was being beaten badly, he was being tortured, he was being just given 3 bowls of soup 3 times a day and onion twice a week and half a cake on Sundays. So it is just the little amount of food that is being given to an orphan child, isn't it? But we are very much grateful to our parents that because of them we are living a peaceful and blissful life, isn't it? We are living a happily life, we are getting whatever we want. Earlier or later, we are getting everything, isn't it? We are getting good clothes to wear, good food to eat, right kids? So be thankful to them, okay? And be grateful to them. Say thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and be grateful to Him that He has given us both the parents. Fine kids? So I hope you'll read this lesson, and by reading a lesson you will get a moral from this story for yourself, okay? So now we'll do the question and answers for this. So before writing the meanings, do write the hard words, then write the meanings and do the question and answers. So here the first question is, why was Oliver sent to the orphanage? Oliver was an orphan, his father and mother both were dead, so he was sent to the orphanage, right? Okay, then what kind of meal was served to the children in the orphanage? क्या meal दिया जा रहा था children's को orphanage में? The children were served 3 bowls of watery soup a day, and onion twice a week, and half a cake on Sundays. What did the master do when Oliver asked for more soup? The angry master struck Oliver hard with the spoon on his head. क्या करे master? He struck it hard on his head with the spoon. Why was Oliver locked up in a room? Why was he locked up in a room? Oliver asked for more food, hence he was locked up in a room. What was Oliver later known as? आगे चल के Oliver क्या बने? Oliver later became a renowned writer known as Charles Dickens. Okay, so tick the correct option. Next bit. How many children were there in the orphanage? 12, 15, 20 or 29? They were 29. Second one. Which special dish was served to the children on Sundays? Pizza, burger, cake or noodle? It was cake. Who was the chief patron of the orphanage? Munn, Bumble, Limbkins or Robert? He was Mr. Limbkins. Then Oliver later became a famous painter, artist, writer or scientist? He became a writer. Then which book was written by Charles Dickens? Gora, Space, Warrior or Oliver Twist? It is Oliver Twist. So hope kids, till we meet in our next class. Before that you will complete all the exercises, do the exercise bit in the reader, and the question answers, meanings and hard words in the classwork. So stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.